If you're thinking about publishing AI written books on Amazon KDP, one of the biggest questions is, what niche should I go into? The truth is, not all niches are created equal. Some are perfect for AI assisted publishing, while others will waste your time and tank your account. In this video, I'll break down the niches that actually work best with AI and the ones that you should completely avoid. A friend of mine recently cranked out 3 AI written fantasy novels, mostly because he thought fiction would be easy money. He spent weeks on covers and formatting, but sales were dead. Meanwhile, another beginner put together a short nonfiction guide about time management, edited it well, and within 2 months, it was pulling in steady royalties. Same tools, same platform, completely different results. The difference? The niche. Which brings me to part 1, niches that work. So let's talk about niches that actually thrive with AI help. Number 1, self-help and personal development. People are always searching for ways to improve their productivity, mindset, relationships, and health. AI can create structured research-backed drafts that you can refine into useful guides. Number 2, how-to and beginner guides. Think cooking basics, gardening, budgeting, fitness routines, or even simple hobbies. Readers don't expect Shakespeare. They simply want clear steps. AI is great at creating structured explanations once you give it the correct prompts. Number 3, health and wellness subtopics. I'm not talking about giving medical advice, just general wellness guides, like stress management, sleep improvement, or nutrition basics. These are evergreen topics where demand never dies. Number 4, productivity and business skills. AI shines at breaking down frameworks, summarizing strategies, and explaining concepts. A book on side hustles, remote work habits, or mastering a software tool can do really well if you niche it properly. And finally, number 5, short motivational or mindset books. Compact 10 to 15,000 works that inspire and motivate actually sell surprisingly well when they're polished and packaged right. Part 2, niches to avoid. Now, let's get into the traps. Niches you should avoid, especially if you're new. Number 1, fiction. AI can write words, but it struggles with consistent characters, strong plots, and most importantly, emotional depth. Readers in fiction are picky and reviews can destroy you fast. Number 2, medical or legal content. This is dangerous territory. Amazon can shut you down for giving inaccurate or unverified advice. It's not worth it to risk it. Number 3, saturated low content books. Things like generic journals, word search books, or even planners. Amazon is flooded with them and AI does not give you an edge here. Number 4, highly technical niches. Think engineering, advanced sciences, or professional certifications. AI will hallucinate facts. And if your book is wrong, it will get flagged quickly. And finally, number 5, trendy but shallow niches. Every time a new fad hits, like a crypto coin or a new diet, thousands of low quality AI books pop up. Amazon usually sweeps them off the shelves, so you don't want to rely on that. Now finally, part 3, how to choose your niche. So how do you actually choose the right niche? Ask yourself 3 questions. 1, is there consistent demand? Use Amazon's search bar and categories to see if readers are actively purchasing books on this topic. 2, can AI generate a good draft here? Some niches require deep expertise. Stick to areas where AI can help you produce useful, practical content that you can then refine later. And 3, do you personally have interest or insight in this niche? Even with AI, your perspective adds credibility and makes editing easier. If you're into productivity hacks, wellness routines, or finance tips, then start there. Your enthusiasm will show. And lastly, part 4, the big takeaway. The biggest takeaway is this: AI isn't a magic wand, it's a power tool. The right niche gives you leverage. The wrong niche sets you up for frustration. Focus on evergreen solution-oriented nonfiction niches where readers just really want answers. And avoid areas where trust, accuracy, or creativity matters too much for AI to handle alone. So yes, AI publishing can absolutely work, but only if you're smart about the niche. Self-help, how-to guides, wellness, productivity, business. Those are your gold mines. Fiction, medical, legal, or oversaturated niches, that's where most people fail. If you choose wisely, polish your drafts, and package it properly, then your AI books can sell for years. And if you want access to all of my publishing strategies, my prompts, techniques, and complete workflows, it's all inside of my full course. The link is below. If you got value, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.